Before we dive in, let me introduce myself properly. I'm a former investment portfolio manager with over 30 years of experience, and I've managed portfolios exceeding $20 billion in assets under management. That's the lens through which I evaluate everything in this space: institutional standards, not retail hype. So when I tell you this trading bot impressed me, I mean it. I approach this with my usual skepticism. I've seen far too many automated trading solutions fail under real market conditions. But then I asked Claude to build a complete trading bot from the ground up, and I have to say the results were genuinely surprising. The code was tight, the execution logic was sound, and the bot performed exactly as intended. That level of reliability is rare in this space. This system runs 24/7, executes every trade automatically, and requires absolutely no manual intervention once it's active. In my years managing institutional money, consistency was always the cornerstone of success. First, you'll want to install a Web3 wallet as a browser extension. Most Ethereum wallets work just fine. And if you're on your phone, no problem. Just use the browser that's built into your wallet app. Next, head over to the online development platform I've linked below. That's where we'll compile and launch the contract. Once it loads, create a new file and name it whatever you'd like. I've also included a link to the open source script Claude generated for us. Copy that code into your new file. There are comments throughout to help explain what each section is doing. Go to the compilation tab and check the Solidity version at the top of the script. Make sure your compiler settings are set to that version. If not, just choose the right one from the drop-down and click Compile. All right, now let's deploy. Connect your wallet in the deployment section and approve the connection. Once it's connected, you'll see your wallet address and ETH balance. Click Deploy, confirm the network fee, and wait for the confirmation message. After it's live, a simple dashboard will appear below. It's pretty easy to use. Just double-check that the owner address matches your wallet. Then you'll need to fund the bot so it can start trading. I recommend starting with 2 to 10 ETH. In this demo, I'm using 2 ETH. Copy the contract address, paste it into your wallet's transfer section, enter the amount, confirm, and wait for the block confirmations. Refresh your balance. Click Start, approve the transaction in your wallet, and let the blockchain process it. The bot is now active, and you can track its trades in the logs. Let it run for a few hours, then check the early results. The initial profits look promising, but the system actually performs better when the market is moving. So I ran it for a full 24 hours to really see how it did. After that full day, everything went smoothly. You can see the complete trade history in the terminal. To stop the bot and withdraw your funds and profits, simply click Withdraw, confirm in your wallet, and wait for it to finish. All your funds returned safely, and the 24-hour profits were genuinely impressive. Full disclosure, this is for educational purposes only. I'm not providing financial advice or investment recommendations here. I'm simply sharing what I observed during my testing. This reflects my personal experience with Web3 tools and Claude's capabilities. All relevant links are in the description.